Hi children, today we are going to learn about history lesson. This is one part of world history. There is a world famous nurse called Florence Nightingale. Today we are hoping to study about this lady, Florence Nightingale. Florence is very pretty name, no?
Yes.
Then she also very fair, very attractive and very kind girl. She was born in Italy.
Yes.
Can you show me what is her birthday? This is her birthday. She was born on 12th of May in 1820. 1820. 12th of May.
We born.
Then this is the name of her, Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale. This is our Florence Nightingale. She came from very wealthy family
Beautiful, right?
in England. Then normally those days in England, wealthy family members, they didn't study lot. They enjoyed with their family members, their friends. You can see how they are enjoying here. They are very rich people. They are wearing long dresses. They got rich dresses. Can you see these dresses? And they enjoyed a lot with their friends and family members. They met each other, but they didn't study too much. They had family teacher. They studied with that home visiting teacher. They didn't learn maths. They learned how to write and how to read and sew.
Why they don't know how to write?
No, they learned to write, read and sew only. They didn't. Sew means to stitch the clothes, stitch a frock, dress, trousers, to do that. Then they find their husbands also from among those friends. But this Florence is very kind-hearted lady. She loved animals. She treated sick animals, sick people also. And she got an owl as a pet. Do you also have owl as a pet?
No.
No, we are having pet cat, pet dog,
Pet puppy.
puppy, those animals. But she got owl as her pet. Then, and she learned maths also. Their parents didn't teach them maths because their parents didn't want to do a job. Didn't want them to do a job because they are ladies and they are very rich. Then her parents also wanted to marry her a very rich person.
But you said he's rich, but he's kind.
Yes, she is very kind. Then, but she learned maths also. She learned maths, science and other subjects
even
also.
She have a kangaroo and elephant pet also.
Yes.
I don't.
Then she learned medicine and nursing also secretly. She kept books in her room.
And she slowly go to her room and hide them, learn math.
Learn maths and nursing and medicine also. Medicine, what doctors are studying. She wanted to become a nurse one day. That's why she studied those things secretly.
I also want to be some. Not me, my sister.
Okay. Then, once she became a young lady, she heard a news from a newspaper. One journalist has written a news about a Crimean War. There was a country named Crimea. In Italy, there was a big war. She was in Italy. There was a big war between Russia and Turkey. Russia and Turkey. In 1854, there was a war named Crimean War. You can see this Crimean War, how they have drawn this war. This is the Crimean War. So many soldiers were wounded and so many people were died. Then she heard about that war, and she heard about Scutari hospital in that Crimea. You can see, can you show me Crimea? Crimea? Where is Crimea? It's in the Black Sea. You are studying about Black Sea now?
Yeah. No, you don't.
Last year you studied about Black Sea. In Black Sea there is an island named Crimea. In this Crimea there was a hospital named Scutari Hospital. In that newspaper she heard in Scutari Hospital there are so many soldiers. There are so many patients. It's a very dirty hospital. Therefore, she thought to leave to that hospital as a nurse. Then she started to leave to that hospital with some other 38 nurses. How she has gone there? Can you show me the map here? Can you show me the map here, how she has gone? She was in London. London, do you know London?
Yeah. And she went
in England, the capital city is London, no?
And she went over here.
She went to Boulogne, then she went to Marseilles, then she came to Malta, then I think she has said there, no? Then there, what is the country here? Istanbul. Yes, Malta, Istanbul. Then Scutari Hospital. Scutari. Near Crimea, there is a hospital named Scutari. You can see Scutari Hospital. How is the condition of Scutari Hospital? Can you tell me how is the condition of Scutari Hospital? Can you tell me how is the condition of Scutari Hospital? Hospital is very dirty. There were lack of beds. There were no enough beds. 2-3 patients were in one bed. It has overcrowded. It was messy, and there were so many rats also. She asked soap to clean hospital. Then she and her team cleaned the hospital with soap, cleaned the floor, killed all the rats. What she has done for the hospital? She has killed all the rats. She cleaned hospital floor.
It's a good thing helping others.
She washed all the bed sheets. She mended all the clothes. She treated patients very well. She smiled with them. She talked to them patiently. They were very happy. Patients were very happy. There were no bandage there. She ordered bandage and she plastered. She arranged the patients and their beds very well. Now you can see, after the bandaging and after treating properly, hospital were very nice. Now hospital become a hospital famous as a very good hospital. Then she was the one who improved the condition of this hospital. That's why she has famous lot. This is our nurse, Florence Nightingale nurse with her team. At night, she worked around the hospital with a lamp. Therefore,
The black color one.
yes, this is the lamp in her hand.
That's not a lamp, that's a pom-pom.
Therefore, she was famous as a, what was the name? Lady with a lamp. Lady with a lamp. Now also people are calling her Lady with a lamp. Lady with a lamp. She designed a new dress for nurses.
Very nice dress.
Yes, very nice white color dress and bonnet
that for
in
her?
her head.
Is
Yes.
that for her?
Her and her team also, all the nurses. Then she has started nursing school also. She was the head of nursing school in UK, in England. She was the head of nursing school.
It means she was working in school.
Nursing school.
Nursing in school.
Yes, in our country also. Now there are nursing school. In Gaul there is.
It means by years.
Every year nurses are coming to that school to work as a nurse. They are training in that school. She is the one who started that nursing school. Here also there are very cute little nurses are there.
One, two. There's two. Small ones.
Yes. Here.
One with the big one and one with the small house.
Then she was awarded by a King Edward with Order of Merit. Do you know King Edward?
No.
Who was this King Edward?
I don't know.
Queen Elizabeth, do you know?
Oh, yeah.
Queen Elizabeth's father, King Edward.
I knew it.
Nowadays there is King Charles. King Charles, mother is Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth's father is King Edward. King Edward, from King Edward, she got Order of Merit. She was the first lady who got this award. You have to remember the name of this award. What is the name? What is the name of this award? Order of Merit. Order of Merit. After that, she improved this Scutari hospital. She set up hospital in India. This is the hospital in India.
What the heck?
She started new hospital in India. She started first nursing school in 1860. 1860 she started first nursing school.
But there is not like this one. Or the hospital.
In the hospital, what?
There was a cross, but it's not there.
Cross. You can see, is there cross here? Can you see?
What the heck?
This is the mark of hospital. Red color cross should be there, no? This is white color cross. There should be red color cross.
Where white color? Here.
Yes, there should be red color
They
cross.
can't see. They can't see.
Then, now we also have this type of hospitals and nurses there. They are doing big job to our country also.
Yeah.
They are having special uniform. Nowadays, we have seen this type of uniform they are wearing.
We are wearing also uniform.
Yes, but nurses are wearing very special type of
Even
uniform.
they are wearing this one.
They got the earlier time they got this type of uniform, this bonnet on her head and dress. And what are the other things in this uniform? There is, I saw there was a
top.
watch.
Top.
Did you see watch?
Even the cap.
Cap, then
This-
jacket,
This
shoes, white color shoes also. They are wearing white color shoes.
hands.
They are having watch and trousers. Earlier they got long dress with it's like a pinafore dress sometimes. And she was wearing a jacket and there were some pockets. Nowadays our nurses are wearing like this. She lived nearly 90 years but she got sick with this treatment. She has injured with that some germ or something. I think some people are telling she has died with malaria or something. I think after some years she become sick because of this treatment and because she behave with patients lot of time. Anyway, she has done very big job to our world. We have to be very thankful to this lady, Florence Nightingale. Always remember this lady with the lamp, that is Florence Nightingale. She was born in Italy. She lived in England. She improved Scutari Hospital. She established new hospital in India. She started nursing school in 1860. After that, every country started nursing schools in their countries. You can see Scutari Hospital. Remember the name of this hospital. What is the name?
Scutari
Hospital. Hospital. What is the country here? This country in the Black Sea? Crimea. Show me the Crimea here. Crimea. In the Black Sea, there's a country named Crimea. Can you see the country here? Here. Scutari Hospital was in this country. Yes. Crimea, you can see this.
Crimea, even this one?
Yes. It's a small island. Yes, it's a small island. Can you see in the black island name Crimea? Our country was also an island, no? Therefore, Crimea also an island. What is the reason of this hospital? That means why did she move to this country, Crimea? To treat to wounded soldiers. These are the soldiers. What is the name of this war? Can you tell me the name of this war? Crimean War. What are these two countries? Russia and Turkey. Russia and Turkey. There was a war among these two countries, Russia and Turkey. And remember, who is the pet of this lady? Owl. They are
baby owl.
very rich. And remember, tell me, what was the subject they studied? What was the subject they studied? They studied to read, write and sew only. But she studied maths and science and medicine and nursing also.
She learned a lot of things.
Yes, she learned lot of things. This is our Florence Nightingale. What we have drawn.
I want to know.
Yes.
What the heck?
Then thank you for watching us.
Like us, follow